Hello guys, I want to get you guys an update on this turtle. Yes, I have preloaded it, so I'll just demonstrate it with the preloaded on. As you can see, it closes a little better. You can comment if you think it has a little too much preload, but I think it looks great. Doesn't do any, for some reason, this closer does not do a latch. Like if you preload it, I have to preload it to a certain extent for it to do a latch. Like, for it to latch, I have to have the arm touching the door, and I can't do that, so I preloaded it. And I'd have to speed up the latch, and I don't want to do that. So, one more time, and that will be it. So comment on this video if you think I can take some preload off the arm. So anyways, that'll be it.